Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're looking at a Tailwind typography plugin. So this is very useful where there's HTML that you haven't got control over. Say you're pulling in data from a CMS. It'll allow you to provide a nice set of base styles, base formatting to that HTML. It's also very useful if you don't want to get in there and try and set up your own formatting as well, in terms of, if you're not sure what fonts go well together, what weights, and so forth, then this can give you a nice basic style off the bat without having to do hardly anything. Just a couple of lines of code here. Before we jump in, if you find yourself enjoying the video, feel free to click that subscribe below and you'll get updates for future videos. Okay, so I've got some plain text over here. We just got a header, we've got a subheader, a paragraph, and some items. So at the moment, very plain, vanilla HTML. Let's see, so I've got Tailwind set up as well. If you haven't set up Tailwind before, I've got a video on that here. But with that set up, we would then just need to install the Tailwind plugin. So we could go into our Tailwind config, and in here, I could say require, and the plugin is called Tailwindcss Typography, like so, and we would need to install that as well. So an npm install at Tailwind CSS Typography. So with that in place, we've got our plugin installed with npm. We've got it set up in the config. We could now come back into our page and just apply one class on here. So if I say class equals prose and save that off and give that a refresh, you can see that that has applied those styles. So it's got styles in there for the headers, for the paragraph, for the lists. It's applied the bullets there for us. It's given us our spacing and our weighting on these different headers, and all of that just straight out of the box for you. You can then tailor that. If you want to make slight changes, you can come and apply other Tailwind classes to just tweak little things that you need, but hopefully it would just apply, that would be good enough, and it does look pretty good there straight out of the box, I think. So there you go, Tailwind typography. Pretty good. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down if not. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.